If you've heard that Topiramate can help with weight loss, you're not wrong, but it's not for everyone. I'll break down how it works, who it's for, and the major risks to watch. Topiramate is an older medication for seizures and migraines. Some people lose weight on it because it dials down appetite and cravings by tweaking brain signals like GABA and glutamate, so food rewards feel less loud. Many notice smaller portions, fewer late-night snacks, and taste changes. Fizzy drinks might taste flat. On average, people can lose several % of body weight over months, especially when combined with lifestyle changes. It's typically prescribed for those with a BMI of 30 or higher, or 27 and up with a related condition like prediabetes or high blood pressure, after trying nutrition and movement strategies. A clinician starts with a low dose, adjusting slowly every couple of weeks. Now, let's talk side effects. Common ones include tingling in fingers or toes, brain fog, dizziness, fatigue, and mood shifts. More serious risks include kidney stones, metabolic acidosis, sudden glaucoma, and in rare cases, suicidal thoughts. It can cause birth defects, so it's not for pregnancy, and reliable contraception is essential. As for interactions, high doses may lower birth control effectiveness, and alcohol can worsen drowsiness. A ketogenic diet can also raise kidney stone risk. Always disclose all your meds and supplements. Monitoring matters. Your clinician may check your bicarbonate levels, kidney function, mood, and ask about any eye pain or vision changes. If it isn't helping or side effects are too much, it's reasonable to stop, but taper slowly with your clinician's guidance to avoid withdrawal or rare seizures. So, who should skip it? Those pregnant or planning pregnancy, or with a history of kidney stones or untreated glaucoma. Bottom line, Topiramate can help with appetite, but it carries risks. Careful screening, slow dosing, and close follow-up are key. Have an honest conversation with your clinician about goals, side effects, and alternatives, and make a plan to reassess. Medication should support your life, not run it.